many people conceive of African traditional religions, they often think of altars, ancestral veneration, sacrifices, burning sage, magic, song and dance, and even meditation. While many African traditions may include some of these concepts, in reality, these are all simply expressions or instruments for the realization of what is at the heart of these spiritual systems. My lifelong quest in search of the heart of African spirituality has led me to the conclusion that the phrase African religion is inadequate for describing African wisdom traditions, their character, their objectives, and their inner logic. I needed a term, one that was rooted in African languages, that more accurately described these spiritual systems. Realizing the sincerity of my request, the ancestors sent me an answer via the late Dr. Kimoyo Fukiao, who introduced us to the term Kimoyo from the Kikongo language. Kimoyo, essentially, can be called a spiritual system of dynamo vitalism, or a dynamic vital force exchange system. The Bantu people are vitalists, that is, they accept themselves as well as everything in the universe as part of Nkingu a Moyo, the principal life in its wholeness. Epistemologically, the Bantu see the concept of being or existing as a perpetual and universal movement of sharing and exchange of the forces of life. In many respects, Kimoyo or vitalism can be seen as the art of regenerating energy or the science of healing. There are three foundational pillars for Kimoyo. One is that God equals vital power. Secondly, God equals reality or existence itself. And lastly, this existence, this reality consists of the flow and interchange of vital power that can be used to animate all areas of life by human beings. It is from these three pillars that all of Kimoyo's expressions emerge. It is this framework that constructs its inner logic. These discrete units of vital power or vital force is what we call spirit. But what is spirit? A spirit is anything that can work but not be seen, and includes the smaller beings of specialized and limited activity associated with medicines and magic. In other words, what we call spirit or power or deity can simply be defined as the action generation principle. Therefore, that force that causes things to be and to do. It can be a physical force or a thought. The term spirit, in whatever African language, refers to that which causes a phenomenon to behave in a particular manner. Kimoyo then is the practice of harnessing and utilizing and sharing these vital forces. It is, as they say in Kikongo, the interchange of Ngolo ye moyo mudingo dingo, force and life through dingo dingo, the natural way of life and change. Kimoyo is the art of living life more abundantly in all areas. For example, in finance, in family, in health, in wisdom, and more. The cultural expressions of ritual, art, dance, ceremony, offerings, etc. in Africa must be seen as technologies used to harness, maintain, and share this vital force known as Moyo, for the benefit of self, family, and the community. We will have more to say in future videos about Kimoyo and how it is utilized on the continent of Africa and its diaspora. But more importantly, we will discuss how the framework and understanding of Kimoyo as a system can improve your life in all areas that affect you. So please like and share this video. Your initiation begins now.
This program was created with the love and support of all of our Patreon members and subscribers. If you are not a member yet, and would like to see more content like this, consider becoming a member today. The link is in the description of this video. Your support is greatly appreciated.